In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your Epic Games email address in Fortnite on your Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm not doing this process on the Xbox, and this is because the only way to properly see which email address is linked to our Fortnite account on Xbox is to actually go to this website, the Epic Games website. If you want to do this process on your Xbox, you can use the Microsoft Edge browser and do it through there, but I'm going to be showing you this process on my computer on a web browser. Regardless, as long as you follow through with the steps I present to you carefully, you will be able to see which email address is linked. So on the Epic Games website over at store.epicgames.com, sign into your account at the top right corner of the screen. You will be able to use your Xbox account if you wish, or if you don't remember your email. After you log in using your Xbox account, hover over your name, select Account from the drop-down menu that appears, and in the account page over here, you will be able to immediately see all the account information, including your email address. It's going to be blocked off, but you can just click the edit icon at the right side of the screen, and you should be able to add a new email if you want. Alternatively, if you only want to check your email, you will be able to do it through here. As you can see, it's blocked off for security purposes, so if you really need to see this unblocked email, you might have to send a message to the Epic Games support. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your Epic Games email address in Fortnite on your Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.